Hello everyone, hi, my name is Madhumita Chatterjee. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a bright sunny day and I'm Madhumita. Have come back with another very grand video. If I am there, then there has to be a twist. So guys, today I'm just not come with a random video. Today's video is very important because today I'm going to discuss string theory with all you guys, and at the end I'm going to show you a dance. Okay, so let's get started with string theory and the dance video. So the first half of this video is going to be about string theory. Now, why string theory suddenly? Okay, you all must be wondering what just happened. I will tell you. So, you have seen what Earth is made of, right? We all know Earth is made up of simple things like objects, things and all. But what exactly is Earth made up of, and how string theory is directly proportional to what Earth is made up of? We will come to know. So let's get started. Have you wondered what the universe is really made of? Well, scientists used to think that the tiniest building blocks of everything, like atoms and electrons, were little particles or dots. But string theory says, wait, if those tiny dots are actually strings, you know that string theory says that these tiny dots are not the end. They are not exactly dots, they are like strings. Yes, tiny vibrating strings, just like a guitar making different notes when it vibrates differently. These little strings make different particles based on how they vibrate. So instead of little balls, the universe is built from tiny invisible strings. Yes, and each vibration creates a different type of matter, like light, gravity, or even you and me. And there's the cool part. For the maths to work, string theory says that there might be more than 3 dimensions. Some say 10 or 11 dimensions. Most of them are just curled up. Like most of them are some curled upon dimensions, like they're curled up so small that we can't see them. So, in short, string theory is like the music of the universe, where tiny strings play the tune that makes up everything around us. Now imagine we are in this universe. In this universe, we are inside the Milky Way. Inside the Milky Way, we are in Earth. Inside the Earth, we are in this continent Asia. In this entire continent, Asia, we are inside a country. Now, inside a country, you live in a city. Now, in a city, you live in a home. In a home, there are objects. Objects are made up of molecules. Now, molecules are also made up of atoms. Atoms are made up of nucleus and electrons. Okay, so if you go deep inside that, in an atom, there is a nucleus, and surrounding the nucleus there are electrons. A nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. Okay, now if you go deep inside that, I mean scientifically everything comes to an end here, but not in the real science world. So if you go inside the nucleus, inside the neutrons and protons, there are more things, and they are called as tiny particles known as quarks. Now, if you go inside quarks, there is something known as string vibrations. There are particles which are not particles parted away via gaps, but they are actually string type particles which vibrates and generate energy. So this is what string theory is. That was very fast. Let me break down to you in a much slower form. So today let's go on a zoom in journey to understand string theory in the simplest way possible. Let's start with what we can see. The earth, big beautiful home for all of us. A country. Zoom in further and we are in a specific country like India or the USA. City. Let's zoom in into a city full of people, cars, building. Then an object. Take a spoon, a mobile phone, or even your own hand. Everything around us is made of something. Atoms, atoms. Zoom in even more, you will see atoms, tiny building blocks of everything. Everything on this earth, in this universe, is made of atoms. Now, atoms are made of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Inside each atom, electrons orbits around a nucleus, and that nucleus is made of protons and neutrons, quarks. Now zoom inside those protons and neutrons. They are made up of even smaller particles called quarks. Quarks are teeny tiny, almost unimaginably small things. Yeah, strings. But guess what? String theory says that quarks aren't the final stop. If you zoom in even more, at the deepest level, you will find tiny vibrating strings of energy. These strings are like ultra microscopic rubber band, and they vibrate in different ways to form different particles like quarks, electrons, or even light. So the tiniest ingredients of the universe are in dots. They are strings, and each string vibrates with its own cosmic rhythm, creating everything in existence. Now here's the twist. To make sense of these vibrations, string theory says that there might be 10 or 11 dimensions of space. We only see 3, but the rest are curled up like they are hidden. In a nutshell, if we zoom in far enough from Earth to atoms to quarks and beyond, we reach a magical world of tiny strings playing the symphony of universe. This was the string theory, guys.
Hey, 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 time for the dance performance. Let's go. दो नैनों की पहली तो आदत जो हट गई, मनवा मनवा नए बागी सा, झुमरिया मनवा है बागी सा, कोई ना फिर सर 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 चरका, कसम से बादे नैन लड़ जाए, तुझे खोने से डरना, हाँ भूल गया अब तुझ पे दिन में 4 दफा मरना, ना 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 ना। प्यार कमारी उतरी सारी, बताओ की बात चलट गई, हमसे ना मैं पैसे हम तो, मुझको तो मैं ही मैं रट एक हुए थे 2 से दोनों की अब राह पलट गई, टन 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 ना 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 Na 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 na.
So guys, in this video we saw the importance of string theory and how things are made up of is actually just vibrations of strings, and there are no gaps in between them. They are actually strings, and we also saw a cute dance. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you everyone who joined in. It means a lot to me. I am really happy that you come to my channel, watch my videos, dance videos, informative videos, and I hope you're liking this video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment down this video. Your like, your share really motivates us. So do that. Do subscribe, do comment down, and I will see you all in my next video. Toodles, bye bye, take care, ta-ta.
Keeping the tradition alive and sharing all the photos I took during making of this video. I hope you loved the transition of red and blue costumes, and that was a very cool transition. This was the first time I tried something very new. Please do like this video and comment down your thoughts. That would mean the world to me, and I will see you next time in my coming videos. I hope you're loving the content that you're seeing on the screen, and I really hope you're loving the images that are coming on the screen. See you next time. Madhumata signing off. Tata, bye bye, toodles, take care everyone.